This video is going to sound very self-serving. We're going to answer the question of why should you use an attorney to form your LLC, PLLC, or Series LLC or corporation in Texas. My name is Nate Gilbert. I am an attorney in Texas. LLC, Series LLC, and PLLC formation is a large part of my practice. So like I said, this video is going to seem very self-serving, but if you do have questions or you want to discuss your situation with an attorney in Texas, there's a link in the description for a free consultation. Sign up, you'll get my calendar availability, be able to directly schedule something with me on the phone, and we'll get your questions answered. Now, why should you use an attorney, right? I've said it almost 5 times already in this video. It's going to sound very self-serving, and I understand that. I'm not trying to sell you something that you don't need. I want to provide some clarity on answers that I get. So when you're looking to form this LLC, there are going to be a lot of options out there for you, right? You can do some online filing services, you can use attorneys, and everything in between, right? You can pay as much as $10,000 for some high-end boutique firm that will actually have multiple attorneys on your case, or you can pay as little as $50 for one of the online filing services. Now, all those options in between, right? They all have pluses, they all have minuses. One of the things I'm going to focus on is why you should use an attorney to form your LLC. And I think it boils down to this. When you form this LLC, especially if you're forming it with other people, this is a contract that you are signing. There are legal implications for being in this contract with these other people or having this LLC by yourself even. It is a contract that you are signing between yourself and the entity, right? There are legal implications, there are legal consequences, and there are legal requirements. So we need to make sure that whenever you are signing a contract, you consult an attorney, right? That's something that you need to do. So it only makes sense to me when you are forming an LLC that you should use an attorney because it is a legal concept. You are looking for legal advice. This is something that you want to have a legal representative in, right? This is something that you wouldn't enter into lightly, just like any other contract. So I know that sounds self-serving. There are many people out there that are not lawyers that will offer to form your LLC, will give you advice on your LLC. But I always like to use the kind of AI example. If you ask AI, should I rely on you for legal advice or should I use you for a legal function? Its reply is going to be something along the lines of, no, I am not a licensed attorney. I can't give legal advice. And I think that's a great answer for AI to give in this particular situation, of course, for legal advice. But that's kind of why I think you should use an attorney when you are looking to form an LLC. Like I said, it boils down to legal advice. It is a legal concept, and there are legal consequences that you might face if it's done incorrectly or you don't understand exactly what you're getting into. As I said in the beginning of the video, my name is Nate Gilbert. I'm an attorney in Texas. I understand how self-serving this video sounds. There are many options out there when you are looking to form an LLC. It's important that you pick the best one for your situation. If you have any questions or you'd like to speak with me about forming an LLC, Series LLC, or PLLC in Texas, there's a link in the description for a free consultation. I look forward to hearing from you.